here with the Planner Envy box for February 2020. As you all know, we received the January box back in December. So the box that just came today is February 2020 for the Planner Envy subscription box. So let's open up and see what we have. Okay, so the first thing is the pretty confetti paper. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so let's put this right up here. Oh, this is cute. So the first thing are the paper clips. It's the Happy Mail. And the second thing is these cute little cutesy paper clips. I think that's so cute. Okay. Oh, and we have a pen, erasable pen. So I guess that's the eraser. Let's see, how do you get it to work? Oh. It would help if you take this part off, right? Oh, it's pink. So that's cute. And it's by Part Cool. I don't know if that's clearing up some. Hopefully it will. This autofocus is killing me. I guess that's the best it's gonna get. Okay, so the next thing is the actual kits. Okay, let's put the box to the side. Okay. So the kits for February 2020 are as follows. 1, 2. So these two are full-size kits. And this is a mini kit. So let's look at the first one. So it looks like it's for Valentine's Day. Oh, let me take off my bracelets because they are clicking so hard on my table. And it's very distracting. Okay. So the first kit is Diamonds, Kisses, Happy Mail, Monet. Of course, the usual headers that at home things to do, little things, remember to clean, the top 3. And then the second sheet is we have the half boxes, the quarter boxes, the checkoff sheet, same as usual, same formats. And then, oh, I love this washi. So these are the washi strips for the bottom. This is really, really cute. And I really haven't learned how to position these properly just yet. I need to figure this out a little bit more. And then here are some more to-do meals, etc., etc. So this is the kit 1. And let me just grab my planner very quickly. Okay, so this is the first full-size kit. The second full-size kit, I think I love this one more because if you used to follow my channel before, my old name was Miss Pastry Chef, and that is because I did attend Le Cordon Bleu, and I do have a degree in baking and patisserie, so baking and pastry. And so anything dealing with baking or cooking, I love it. I have to get a bigger table for my unboxing videos because this one fits the space, but it's not as big as I need it to be. So the lights and stuff shake a little bit too much, which causes other things to shake. So hopefully in a few weeks I'll be getting a bigger table, because it was really difficult to like unbox my FabFitFun box and whatnot. Okay, so this kit. So we have a mixer, i.e. KitchenAid mixer. We have a baking pan, the hot mix, sugar and measuring cup, flour, cookies or muffins, or a rack, a little kitchen setup. So basically the format of plannerenvy is pretty much the same across the board. She gives you 2 full kits and 1 mini kit. The mini kit does not include any washies. However, I wish that she would include washies in the mini kit, and maybe not some of the other things, but I'll get to that in a second. So this is sheet 1, which is gorgeous. And then of course sheet 2 with the check-offs, quarter, half boxes, reminders, paydays, canceled, rescheduled, trackers. Oh my god, look at these washies. Look at this. This is gorgeous. I love this. I have to figure out what week in February I will use this for, because this is definitely Valentine's Day week. So this is definitely Valentine's Day week. So what week should I use this for? I'm gonna look and see. This is gorgeous. And then the last sheet is to-dos, meal planning, more of the full boxes and whatnot. But I'm in love with this washi. Like, I'm in love with that. Like, this is my favorite kit so far, I have to say. Like, this particular, I love this. I do wish that she did themed kits that we could possibly buy, like, because February is Black History Month. So it'd be really nice to buy like a Black History Month themed kit. But that's just me, because I'm pretty sure she does them like for St. Patty's Day and Christmas, you know. But just, you know, me being me, I would love to have one for for Black History Month. This autofocus, y'all, is driving me crazy. Okay, let's see if I can get it to go back in focus. Okay, so I had my camera on auto, like standard moving, but the videos always seem really dark for some reason, like extremely dark, even though this light is bright as hell. So I put it on manual, and voila, the light is so much better. So let's see if that, once it comes out, let's see how it really looks. Okay, so this is the half kit. It's roses. I love roses. I don't know if I like this, but let's look at it. Okay, so before we really get into this, let me tell you my beef with half boxes, half kit, mini kits. I would rather you give me this sheet and the sheet with the washi on it instead of this one. I don't need this. I have a ton of these left over from a lot of previous kits that I don't use. Give me this sheet with the full boxes and give me washi, and you can make that the mini kit and I'll be absolutely fine, because 9 times out of 10 the week that I use this mini kit, I don't have any washi to match this at all. Nothing. So it's just empty. So this is the mini kit. It's cute. It's gorgeous. I will definitely use it. I do need to find some type of washi to go along with it. So it has so much air in it. Okay, so A, B, and C are the plannerenvy box for February 2020 with the cute paper clips and a cute pink pen that's erasable. Oh, we didn't try the eraser part. So remember, I wrote hello right here. So let's see. Oh, it erases. Look at it. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's good. That's good. So, okay. Okay, so this is the February 2020 Planner Envy subscription box. And of course, I love the bacon one. So, let me just show you my planner really quickly. I don't want to show you everything, but let me go to a page. I get my name on my planner, so I'm not going to show you that. But let me just move this out of the way. So I do have the Erin Condren planner. I happen to like her a lot. I have the Life Planner. And she has all these gorgeous quotes and whatnot. So the success means having the courage to become the person you believe you are meant to be. And then we have the yearly calendar right here. And then it goes to a little, let me see. New beginnings, new mindset, new focus, starting new intentions and new results. So this is where you track some of your goals, some of the things you want to do for the new year, and then maybe come back and, you know, write down your thoughts about what your results are. So this is this. I am starting a few things in 2020 that I did not do in 2019. So I'm trying to make sure I am holding myself accountable for doing those things. And one of the things is making sure that I use my planner for certain things besides just my work stuff. And then on this page for January, it says passion and purpose gives you progress. So I'm going to skip over some of this information because it's kind of personal. So let's go to this week in January that I have not completed yet because this hasn't happened yet. This is for next week. And this is the way I normally do my planners. And I do them this way because I am not the person that go back and write down memories. I use my planners for work. So I write down the different things I have to do for work. Like you may be seeing payroll, pull reports, close reports, interview schedule for XYZ, you know, do corrective actions, do this spreadsheet. So you'll see numerous of those. And then I have my also paper, drink more water, reminders right here. And so because it's not a check off, I'm going to put a line every time I drink a cup of water. Whereas, let's see if I can, okay, that's not done. Let's turn it this way. Whereas right here for this month, you will see the checkoffs that I have. And I have another checkoff that I like to use. And this one has my steps on it too, which I love. Sorry, it's a personal information for work that I can't share it. So, and then I have my tracker for my medicine, which I am on blood pressure medicine right now. So to make sure that I remember to take it, I check off each day I take it to remind myself to take it. And so this is the way I plan my planners. And so it has to be very functional. I can't fill my boxes ahead of time with stuff, or I can't go back and do it. It has to be functional, because when I get to work, I lay it out on my desk, and as things pop up that I need to do, I write them down, and I go back and check them off to make sure that it was done. Like today, I do need to check off that I drank all of my water, because literally I maybe have an ounce of water left inside of the jug that I'm using. Oh, I did the next week too. So this is the last week. Let me take a look. Let's see. Okay, so this is close to the last week in January. So once again, this was a mini kit that she had in the January box. And you see it came with no washi. And I have no washi to match it. So thus, I have no washi at the bottom, which is what I don't like. Let me see if I can cover some stuff up really quickly, just so I can show you this current week. Okay, so on this current week I use these date covers, which I love. They're pretty expensive, but they're so cute. So I'm only using them sparingly because I only bought one sheet. And then I have these headers that are gold foil, which I love, which are pretty pricey. And pricey to me is anything over $1, so I'm using them sparingly as well. Normally I would put headers all down here, and I did not do that. Okay, I'm back. I had to edit some stuff out because it was too much personal information. So as you can see, I use these particular headers right here. These are headers, and these are like clear gold foil type ish that I got from Rose Colored Days, which I really like. So far this is how I've been putting my weekend. I don't know if that's the way I'm supposed to do it, or am I supposed to do it a different way, but this is just the way I have been doing it. And that's about it. I still have to do this week, and so I need to find a kit that I have. I'll probably use a leftover kit that I have and piece something together for this week, and then start February with this will probably, let's take a look. This would be the Valentine's Day kit for sure. And maybe this week will be the baking week. The first full week will be the baking week. And then this week, I'm not 100% sure yet, because I'm off for work this day. And off for work this day. So I may try to go out of town. Maybe, maybe not. So I'll probably put something together for this week. And then this rolls over into the next month for February. It's behind March because March first falls on a Sunday. So she added, I wish she put this over on that side, but so loving. Okay, so this is my planner and whatnot. Oh yeah, that's the cover. I have my planner that shows. So once again, oops, I am missing a, oh, it's over here. Okay, so once again, this is the February 2020 Planner Envy subscription box with a Valentine's Day and baking theme. Like, I love this one. I love it. That's my favorite. Yeah, you saw some of my bills. Let me put my little bill sticker back inside my planner. And like I said, this is the February 2020 Planner Envy subscription box. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And you guys have a great day and stay warm, because here in Chicago it was 30 degrees with a wind chill of frozen pretty much. All right, bye bye.